Your Google business profile is probably the first thing a potential customer sees before they ever click on your website. Most small business owners have barely touched it. Half-finished descriptions, no posts, no review responses. The good news? You can fix this in an afternoon using free AI tools. Fix your business description. Your description probably says something like, "We are a family-owned business serving the community for over 20 years." That tells customers nothing useful. Open ChatGPT or Claude and give it real information. Write a 250-word Google business profile description for a residential plumbing company in Austin, Texas. We specialize in emergency repairs, bathroom remodels, and water heater installations. We're licensed, offer same-day service, and have operated since 2011. The more specific you are, the better the output. Honest limitation: AI doesn't know your voice. Plan to spend 10 to 15 minutes editing so it sounds human. Post regularly. Google rewards active profiles with better local rankings. Most businesses skip posts entirely. Once a month, sit down with ChatGPT and write 4 posts at once, one for each week. Ask for posts under 300 words with a clear call to action. Then manually schedule them in your Google Business Profile dashboard. Posts expire after 7 days, so you need to actually hit publish. Respond to reviews. Google confirms that responding to reviews helps local ranking. AI is especially useful for negative reviews where it's hard not to sound defensive. Draft a response, then soften the tone before posting. For positive reviews, the risk is sounding robotic. If a customer mentions an employee by name or specific service, reference it. Use AI to draft, then edit at least one sentence to reflect what they actually said. Honest limitation: copy-pasting generic responses will hurt your reputation with people who read reviews closely. Describe your services. Use AI to write service descriptions using natural language customers actually search for, not jargon. Review everything before posting since AI doesn't know your actual pricing or limitations. Final step: copy your description, services list, and recent posts into ChatGPT and ask what's missing. You'll catch gaps you didn't see. That half-finished profile is your first impression for people who might never give you a second chance. A few hours with a free tool is all it takes to fix it.